Hi, I'm Jeff from Logikal. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly modify CNC groups to suit your tools. From the Project Center, simply right-click on the elevation in question, edit, and then access the CNC menu. From this detail, you will see the elevation drawing. From each area, you can then select any individual profile to see the CNC detail available to you. Double click on the option down below and you will see that you can now access the CNC machining detail, also in the 3D CAD module. You can then click, drag around and have a look at the details available. So the CNC machining details are already available to you from the supplier in the actual database. These are maintained by Logikal, and any updates or changes from the supplier will be reflected in any updates. From this menu here, you can now access the CAD for each individual detail by clicking on Display CAD, and you'll see that it actually shows you the machining details available to you. Okay. From here, if you scroll into one of the simple details, you'll see that the diameter hole is 4 mm. You may not have a tool appropriate for that machining. We can now modify that detail quick and easy. Cancel, and then close this back into the Project Center. From the Project Center, we then access the general menu. Access the CNC machining detail, and you'll see that you have access to CNC groups, again, already available to you. You will then see under each individual item, so item 1 was the example, you will see all the appropriate CNC machining groups. Find the appropriate machining group. Again, it will have a subname available to you, so you can quickly note that down from the CNC detail. Double click on that detail. Again, you will see the information about that detail and how it applies to each individual profile. The machining is quickly available to you. Right click on that machining and then access Go to Machining. For this machining detail, you will actually see that there's two options available to you, two holes in this detail. You will then need to modify the diameter on each hole to suit your tools available. For this example, I will change that to 5 mm for the first hole, and also need to do the same for the secondary hole. Click on Save to update your detail. There is also an option available to you if you select that option to Don't Update. Any future updates that will not modify that existing detail. Okay, so once we've modified that detail, it will then be applied to all elevations globally. Okay, you can also swap that to the project CNC detail as well if it's a one-off project detail. Okay, we can then re-access the CAD. We scroll into your area, you will then see that the hole has actually changed to 5 mm. If you would like to know more about how to add your own machinings into Logikal, I will show that in another video. But for now, if you want to find out more information about this detail, please contact our support or find us on logikal.com.au.